Advisors, is here with us on the show for a quick tech check. Ashish, afternoon. That intraday pullback has gotten sold into, so now Nifty is down 126 points. What have you made of the day so far, and what's the near term telling you?
Hi, afternoon to you and all the viewers. If you look at Nifty, there was an attempt on the upside which we saw on Thursday and Friday post the policy, RBI policy happened, and we saw the markets moving on the upside. But because of the overnight event that we are seeing, we had a gap down opening. The low form today is around 90,480 and the high formed is around 90,590 levels. I think that's the range that the market might try to consolidate into. So I am going to keep a very close watch on this range. If the lower end of the range around 90,480, 19,470 breaks, then there can be some pressure that can kick in. Bank Nifty is especially looking weak, where it is breaking that prior low also, but Nifty is trying to consolidate in a range. So in a nutshell, I think it's a range bound market right now. It's trying to digest the event, and maybe eventually today by the closing hour, maybe we can start seeing some kind of a positive traction if there is some fresh buying that emerges across the board. So I'm going to look for Nifty if it manages to break back above that 90,590 mark. If yes, then I will be bullish on the market for a move back to 19,650, which is the earlier high. And on the downside, I'm keeping a very close watch on the support at 19,470 levels.
Okay, all right. That is about the Nifty levels and the broader markets as well. But Ashish, what would your individual stocks be in a market like this?
I would like to pick up the stocks that are outperforming in this kind of a market when there is sell-off that we see in the mid-cap, small-cap space, but these stocks are outperforming. So something like VIP Industries, we can clearly see the stock is bucking the trend, is on upside, the volumes are picking up well, and it looks like starting a good move on the upside in the form of a third wave. So VIP Industries, one can create long positions, keeping a stop loss of 655, expecting a target of around 730 on the upside. And the next stock is from the defensive space is Oro Pharma. We can see when during such kind of an event, defense starts outperforming, and Oro Pharma has been any which ways moving up in a solid uptrend. So it's an opportunity to enter into this stock here. Long positions can be created, keeping a stop loss of 872 for the target of around 967.
Thank you very much for that, Ashish. Let's get to the mid-cap movers. Vivek is here with that list. Vivek.
Well, thank you so much for that. You know, the mid-cap and the small-cap index today expectedly